Last week we said goodbye to some new friends from Vanfest before heading even further into Utah. Sarah was our pack leader on our way toward a spot near Zion that she had spent some time at before.
We have drove around 35 minutes maybe to a BLM spot there. It's very close to Zion National Park. We have never been in this area. It's our first time. We are super grateful that we are here with some amazing humans. And I think we're all like kind of ready to have some lunch, chill out. There's tons of trees. So I think a hammock time. I'm ready to take a nap in a hammock. Ay.
Hello friends, my name is Keon. I also live in a van. I am from Maryland. I've been on the road for about since December.
We are having a great time with you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Food with friends. Thanks Sarah for cooking, and Abby for cooking, and Maria Jose for cooking, and me for eating.
The vegan cheese.
That's bomb. Good job, Maria.
Yay!
So before we eat, I'm thankful that I am currently gifted the time to work on my patience, to limit frustrations, to be surrounded by people who understand who they are deliberately. And that's important, to be around people that I can be exactly who I am and say exactly what's on my mind, even if it's that I really just don't like pesto.
There's this thing that we say in our channel. Okay. Before you eat. Oh. So that just like, uh-oh.
That's my mustache.
He already ate. Buen provecho, which means like bon appetit.
How do you say it?
Buen provecho.
Provecho.
After a late dinner, we played and sang a few songs together before we called it a night.
Good morning, Bee-Boo.
Good morning, babe.
I slept in pretty late, didn't I?
You did. I went on a little walk, which was very nice, and now I'm ready to have some breakfast with you. Maybe explore Zion. I don't know. People were saying that we need to reserve a shuttle. I think this is something because of COVID. I'm not sure.
I got sleep and cobwebs and stuff in my eyes today.
Shoo!
So it's a term.
Shoo!
It's a term.
Of endearment?
No, it's just a term. So I'm gonna eat some brekkie here and wake up a bit. I've already got some shorts on, so that's my first success of the morning.
We grouped our hammocks, and Sarah got her slackline together for us all to embarrass ourselves on, me more than others. Since we were this close to Zion, we had to go for a hike. Seriously, you all. Zion. Mountain goats, mountain lions, California condor. That Zion. Massive sandstone cliffs. The hoodoos for days Zion. We were here, and nothing could have prepared us for the beauty, the rush to the shuttles, the hopeful chance to grab a last-minute ticket, or really any ticket for that matter. Hey, but at least the half-capacity shuttle limitations meant we had a ton of legroom.
Friends, if you didn't notice, we're on a hike today, and we're doing
The Narrows.
Narrows Landing.
Maria said, yeah, Narrows Landing. I was like, no, you mixed the name of two hikes, Maria.
Angels Landing and Narrows. Well, we're doing the Narrows today. We have to get, well, we already got in a shuttle bus, so it's the only way. The tickets sold super quick, but I feel like we have a pretty big group. It's my first time, Chase's first time in Zion, and everybody has recommended this hike. I don't know how far it goes. I think you can go as long as you want. We might be doing like 4 miles up and 4 miles back.
Maybe, yeah, we can go.
Wherever it feels right, you know?
This is where I'm supposed to tell you that it's not very often that I get to hang out with another guy that shares my absurdly childish sense of humor, and let you know that you'll have to understand Frankie and I watched this video before the hike. I hope it helps make some sense of the upcoming chaos.
For me, nature is one of the neatest things on this planet. Look at this. This is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen tree because of the way it is. Wow.
How are you feeling, Bobo?
I'm feeling pretty neat. You know, that's one thing I love about nature is like no matter where you're at, where nature is, you're in nature and nature's neat. And there's some things about nature like trees and rocks and water and drinking out of bags. It's good. It's a day.
With that hopefully out of the way, it was time to step into the chilly waters of the Narrows.
And over here to my left, we have a group of YouTubers. You know how you can tell that's a rock?
Because that's what it is.
Because the way it is, yeah.
You know what I like? How it's neat.
How did I miss this? What just happened?
I don't know, it was pretty slippery, okay? And I just stood in one and we're like, whoop.
What an experience, friends. My lower regions are now icy. I have got so much water in my shoes right now. Are you ready? Frankie and I are having too much fun. Rosé's just up and left me. I actually told her to do that. But that means I'm in control of everything that you all are gonna see. So now's the time for me to tell you, I'm so sorry. This is a doo-doo show.
This is so beautiful. I love it. We have been just walking a little bit. I already fall. I'm having the best time. Weather's perfect. The water was cold, but not anymore. I think we're gonna continue going a little more.
Yo,
Yeah?
Frankie,
I even made
rocks are pretty neat.
Mama Maria made some potato salad. Everybody was like laughing because they're like, Maria Jose's like a mom. I'm like, does everybody has a spoon?
These boys are like such bromance brothers right now.
Oh, this is epic.
Oh, come on, you got it.
I'm climbing on Capitan right now.
Oh man, don't fall. Now would be a dangerous place to fall.
All right, time for the swing. Oh shit.
We've spotted a YouTuber in the wild. There he is, there he is, there he is! Quick, catch him, catch him!
Oh no, that's so muddy.
These are my type of hikes because normally I'm anchoring people down when we're going up steep inclines or elevation. But with this, I'm still anchoring everyone down, but it's because I'm really, really observing how neat nature is. But also, I'm gonna take the camera back from Rosé because she's the clumsiest person I've ever known.
I am. I cannot deny it, I am.
Keon, you look like you're about up to your thighs in water.
And then look how deep I am.
Yeah, I'm pretty good. I'm up to my knees.
We have come to the conclusion that it's time to have a snack.
And what's on the menu?
Mama Maria's.
Mama Maria's potato salad. And we have also other things.
Potates.
Yeah, I have like fig bars, and dried mangoes.
I have an apple, but I don't have
And then we have
a
blueberries.
We have everybody take one bite.
On my leg.
Wow.
Look at that.
Do you know how to river dance?
Daily vlogs. Daily vlogs? Not daily, but like.
Oh my goodness.
So here you go, my friends. I have made a big load of potatoes.
Potates.
Ooh, those smell so good.
Let's
Oh my
see.
god.
Let me see.
You know what? You get a spoon of applause.
After that little break, we decided that we're gonna walk a little more and see a little bit more of the hike. We actually already lost half of the group, but I think the spirits are up. I'm feeling great. Are you feeling great?
So great. I'm feeling so great.
Yeah, good. Let's continue going.
headed back now.
We made all 4 bends, and now we're going back.
Yeah, all 4.
It's time.
Yeah,
It's time. We hit all 4 bends. I don't have a sweatshirt. I'm starting to get goosebumps.
Yeah, the sun has
Time to
left
go back.
us, so we're gonna leave.
Friends, because the community is so small, it's very likely that you already know my friends Frankie and Alex. But if you don't be an FnA and subscribe to FnA.
Yes.
We're just reconfirming Baja winter.
Who is going? You're going.
Winter time.
Should we do it?
I'm going for sure.
I'm doing it.
Are we going?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going.
Yeah.
Am I going
Are
to
you
Baja?
excited? Are you gonna cry? Scream right now. Oh, you're gonna cry.
Are you crying, baby?
Yeah, I got emotional. Leave me alone. It's not like you farted.
It always comes back to me in flatulence.
Did you fart again?
No, but I've farted like 12 times today.
There aren't a ton of hikes that we go on that are ultra accessible. And while we're showing you videos of us walking and slipping on rocks through the river, there are ways and routes to do this that anyone can do, for the most part, that most people can do. This hike could honestly be as easy or as difficult as you want it to be. And I think that's pretty neat. So far, I must say, Zion has climbed the rank on quite possibly the most beautiful national park that I've been to.
There's no doubt, Zion, you have stolen our hearts.
I would have got it. I was filming. I would have had you wipe out. Best dance move. Sarah, dance move.
What's your best dance move?
Alright. Babe. Oh.
Frankie?
He's coming in hot with the sea walk. Alright.
Oh, he did it. Oh, he did it.
Once we made it back to camp, we went on a sunset walk in search of petrified wood. We all found so much, and Paco was a huge help.
You finding a bunch of rocks, babe?
It's not just rocks. It's petrified wood, Chase. We have been like just editing and like cleaning stuff in the van and decided to go for a little walk to look for petrified wood.
We've got more adventures planned around Utah coming up next week. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and tune in with us every Sunday morning.